All right, so this one is just like the ones we did in class, except it doesn't have 0. You should have been okay with this one. This one we're going to follow the same process. We're going to plug these values in for x and y. And most of you have already got to this point, being able to plug in. Make sure you do realize negative 2 squared is positive 4. And then solve out for c. Now c is not a number, it's an expression. So we're going to recopy the formula, y equals ax squared plus c. And we're going to substitute in this expression for c. So we'll get y equals ax squared plus negative 4a minus 10. And then you can simplify. If you distribute a positive in there, it doesn't really do anything. So it'll just be ax squared minus 4a minus 10. So what makes that nice is we no longer have two variables, a and c. We just have a now. So now we take our second point and we plug it in. So we'll have negative 40 equals a times 4 squared minus 4a. Make sure you're plugging it in for x and not for a, which I almost just did. So leave the a's as is. And then we'll follow our order of operations and solve out for a. So 4 squared will get me 16. Combine your like terms. And then we'll add 10 to both sides. And then we'll divide by 12. So we could reduce this, dividing by 6. Negative 5 halves, so negative 2.5. And then to find out what c is, plug it back in. Should get c as 0. Get 20 over 2, which is 10. 10 minus 10. C is 0. So this would just be y equals negative 2.5x squared. If you want to put plus 0, you could. That's what I'm saying. Do you want to try the next one and see if you can do it? It's kind of like the same thing. You're going to solve for c. You might not, you'll get an expression, then you'll substitute the expression. You could also solve for a, but c is the easier one. So see if you can try that.